Today we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X7162 on a Subaru Outback. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving it a like and subscribing for future installs. There are two methods you can use to install this hitch: bumper removal or hole enlargement. We'll be demonstrating the bumper removal method in this video. To start, open the rear hatch and remove the two clips that hold the taillight trim piece. Remove the trim, then remove the two bolts behind it. Carefully remove the taillight by pulling it to the rear and disconnecting the wires inside. Repeat on the other side. Now raise the vehicle and remove the push clips along the underside of the bumper fascia. Starting from the wheel and working your way to the middle, begin to peel back the bumper fascia. Place the bumper somewhere safe for now. Pull off the foam piece from the factory crossmember. Remove the 8 nuts mounting the crossmember. Set the crossmember aside. Now lower your exhaust by spraying the 3 rubber exhaust hangers with WD-40 or a similar lubricant and pulling them off the hangers. Do not let the exhaust hang freely. Remove the heat shield above the exhaust. Trim it as shown in the instructions to allow your new bolts to pass through the frame rail. Remove the 4 rubber plugs from the frame rails on the underside of the vehicle. Next, attach a bolt, star washer, and plate washer to the provided bolt fissure. Stick the fissure through the opening at the end of the frame rail and pull the assembly through the hole nearest the end. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 holes. Reinstall the heat shield. Carefully raise your new EcoHitch into place over the bolts and secure it with a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Torque down all of the hardware. Reinstall the factory crossmember, followed by the foam piece. Now mark and trim a 6 by 6 inch hole on the bumper fascia, following the guidelines in the instructions. We added on a piece of trim lock to maintain a clean look. Rehang your exhaust. Reinstall your bumper and tail lights by following the previous steps in reverse order. Your EcoHitch installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklifts products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.